Finder on Mac is an app that needs to run continuously to manage your files and folders. Because of this, Apple didn't design it so you can just right-click and quit like a normal app. If your Finder ever freezes up, just press and hold the Option key, then right-click the Finder icon on your dock. You'll now see an option to relaunch. Clicking this will easily restart Finder. Similarly, if you open the Force Quit window by pressing Option-Command-Escape, you'll notice other apps have a Force Quit button, but Finder only has Relaunch. Now, I don't generally recommend doing this, but if you absolutely need to quit Finder completely, like to get rid of that little black dot under the icon, you can do it using Activity Monitor. First, open up Activity Monitor. Under the CPU tab, type Finder into the search bar and select the Finder process. Next, click the Stop icon at the top. If your window is too small, you can find the Stop button by clicking the arrow icon, selecting Stop, and then clicking Quit. Once you do that, Finder will completely quit and that black dot on the dock will disappear. Whenever you're ready, just click the icon again and Finder will start right back up and work normally. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.